good Saturday morning. The wind just picked up, and I guess it's time for the old ice storm to head this way. I see they're getting it across from Texas and everywhere else, so I just keep my prayers that, the lights go out, they get them turned back on, or there ain't a bunch of ice, and just be a mess. So, look like we're going to be not that bad, but it's out there. So, to start with this morning, we got some very sad news. Everybody hear me talking about my Aunt Bobby in Montana? She gone to Big Sur today. She passed away this morning. And yeah, ain't much I got to say about that. So, but keep my cousins and all there in the prayers. They still got Uncle Paul in the dementia center. And she had a wonderful life, and I had such a great time out there in September and everything. So, but let's get on with the bell ring. We got some birthdays today. We have Brian Bonds. Happy birthday to you, Brian. Hope you're barbecuing great. My neighbor, Mark McKenzie. Happy birthday, Mark. And also did Meals on Wheels this morning at the high rise. So got that done and everything. So now it's time just to hunker down and get ready for the little bit of the storm we got coming and the cold weather. So have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Be smart about what you do. And hey, Miss Flip, and there's our bell ring for today. Turn this off. Well, damn.